Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel Google One subscription easily. A Google One subscription gives you extra cloud storage and backup features, but they may come where you no longer need it. Maybe you're using less storage, switching services, or simply want to avoid recurring charges. The good news is that canceling a subscription is straightforward, especially on iPhone where subscriptions are managed through your Apple ID. So first, what you can do is, if you have subscribed using your iPhone, your plan is linked to your Apple ID. That means you must cancel it through iPhone setting. First, open to your setting. In the top, access to Apple ID there, and over here select to the subscription below, and here you'll see a list of all the active and expired subscription tied to your Apple ID, and you can simply tap Google One from the list if you find it, and this opens the detail of your current plan, and you can cancel it from here and confirm your choice, and once confirmed, the subscription will not renew. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.